Good morning students. Welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to learn a new grammar concept. Meghna is an intelligent girl. Akanksha likes her new dress. Vivek has 10 marbles. I have some money to spend. So, what kind of a girl is Meghna? Which dress does Akanksha like? How many marbles does Vivek have? How much money do I have to spend? Yes, these are the words, isn't it? Intelligent girl, red dress, 10 marbles, some money. So, the words used to describe a noun are called adjectives. In today's class, we are going to discuss the definition of an adjective, attributes of an adjective, and the 5 kinds of adjective. So, what's the definition of an adjective? Words which are used to describe a noun are called adjectives. Let me give you another example to give a clear idea of an adjective. Prabhudeva is a skillful dancer. So here dancer is a noun and skillful is the adjective which is describing him, like what kind of a dancer he is. Yes, I hope you understood. Now let me give you the attributes of an adjective. The first one is almost similar to the definition. That is, it describes about a noun, that is a person, place, thing, and also it describes about the pronouns. The second attribute, it indicates the shape, size, number, quality and feelings of the noun or the pronoun in the sentence. The third attribute, as I already asked, what kind, which one, how many, how much. Based on this, it will tell something about the adjective. Now, let us discuss the 5 kinds of adjectives. The 5 kinds of adjectives are the quantitative adjective, qualitative adjective or adjective of quality, numerical adjectives or adjective of number, distributive numerical adjective and demonstrative adjective. So first, let us know in detail about the quantitative adjectives.
Adjectives which describe the measurement of that is the count or amount of any living or non-living things are called as quantitative adjectives. However, the measurement is not in exact numbers. That is, you can't tell the exact number how much it is. And these quantitative adjectives answer the questions how much and how many. Like in the example you can see Varun has many cherries in his box. So you can ask how many cherries he has. So he has many cherries. It's not telling the exact amount. Quantitative adjectives are mostly concrete in physical form. That is, they are not abstract like the qualitative adjectives which we are going to discuss the next one. Qualitative adjectives or adjectives of quality. These adjectives describe the quality of any living or non-living things, and these are called as the qualitative adjectives. And what do these do? They answer the question what kind. So here example is there, why do you carry the dirty bag? So how is the bag? What kind of bag it is? A dirty bag. I saw an injured dog near my house. So how was the dog? Like what kind of dog? It was an injured dog. So here dirty and injured are the adjectives of quality. And there are certain characteristics of the adjectives of quality. Do you know what they are? They are gradable. Gradable means they form degrees of comparison. I think you are aware of positive, comparative and superlative, which we will be learning in our later classes. And these qualitative adjectives, we cannot count them. They are mostly abstract and can be perceived only through our senses. But what did we talk about quantitative adjectives? That they are concrete, whereas qualitative adjectives are what? Abstract. They can be only perceived through senses. And do you know, qualitative adjectives are more in number when compared to quantitative adjectives. So let's check the next example, that is the numerical adjectives or the adjectives of number. Adjectives which are used to denote the number of nouns, that is the number of people or things, and they also maintain a clarity by giving the exact information, means the exact number will be given to us. That's why they are called as numerical adjectives or adjectives of number. What we learnt in quantitative adjectives, it's not giving the exact number. He's told many, any, yes, some, few, all those will come under quantity, quantitative adjectives. This is adjectives of number. So it will be giving you the exact number, how much it is. See the example, we collected 3 baskets of apples from the orchard. So here it's giving a specific number. How much? How many? 3. And there are 8 planets in our solar system. How many are there? 8. It is giving the exact number. Yes, children, I hope you understood numerical adjectives also. Now let's go to the next one, distributive numerical adjectives. These are similar to numerical adjectives only, but there is only a slight difference. What is the slight difference is, these adjectives are actually used to denote a singular number of noun among many. If they are many, they talk about a singular noun in that sentence and are always followed by a singular noun and singular verb. And that's why they are called as distributive numerical adjectives. Now each, every, neither, either, all these are called as distributive numerical adjectives. See the examples of them. Every student was given a certificate. So it is understood that there are many students. Okay, now understand it carefully. I told you, no, a singular number of noun among many. So there were many students, and in that every student was given a certificate. So it is mentioning about only one number, that is singular number. Next, either answer is correct, means there are 2 answers and you are saying that one of them is correct. Either answer is correct. And did you observe the verb was is singular, and in the second example the verb is singular. As already I told you that the distributive numerical adjectives always are followed by a singular noun and a singular verb. Student is singular, answer is singular. Yes, children, I hope you understood distributive numerical adjectives. Let's go to the next one, demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives are those adjectives which refer to people or things near or far from the speaker, means from the person who is speaking, in terms of distance and time. Like we already discussed in our previous classes about demonstrative pronouns. Do you remember? This, those, that. Yes, if it is singular and it's near, you are using this, and if it is far, you are using that if it is singular, and if it is these, it is plural, and those means it is plural and far. Yes, do you remember these demonstrative pronouns? But here we are talking about demonstrative adjectives, and these demonstrative adjectives point out and modify nouns in order to let us know which noun we are referring to. Now I just can say, please eat chocolate biscuits. But I am talking about, please eat these chocolate biscuits. So here chocolate biscuits, the chocolate biscuits is the noun, and I am referring to the adjective these. Yes. The boy who threw this stone was punished. So stone is noun. I am referring to a particular stone, this stone. So this, these, those, that, these are all demonstrative adjectives. Children, I hope you understood or you are clear with the definition of adjective, the attributes of adjective, and the 5 kinds of adjectives what we have learnt in today's class. That's all for today's class. Thank you.